So today's goal is to knock out this wheel lock right here. It's been a pain in the butt. I tried several sockets, but it's just gonna round it out only. So that, oh man, that's so cool, man.
I think the signal works. I don't know I don't think it should work, but the light goes too, you know.
Oh, okay, cool. I'll try it out later then.
Yeah, as when you're in handy, they all expect you to do stuff with it. You have change.
I'll bring change up. So the buddy came and he brought his wheel lock kit. So he thinks he has an extractor at his house. So that's where I'm gonna be going right now, to his house, and we're gonna look for the extractor and take off the wheel lock. There you go. Yeah, that looks way better now. Two and a half, exactly right there. All right, after a long day of adjusting the wheels, time for a photo shoot with my Canon. And as you can see on the front bumper, I rattle canned it and also clear coated. So how does it look? Much better, right? So now I'm just waiting for the front lip to arrive, and I'm excited. All right, time for some photos. Check that out. Oh my God, that is so beautiful.
Like a monster found a beauty in the beast. I was moving like a dog, running around without a leash. Moving like a dog, running around without a leash. Moving like a dog, running around without a leash. Moving like a dog, running around without a leash. Moving like a dog, running around without a leash.
Okay, so I'm at one of my other favorite location right behind Manchester Mall. Right here used to be Sears auto repair place, but they closed down, and so it's empty on the weekends. And I love to shoot photos here because once the sun sets over there, the lighting here is really good. So this is probably my last spot to take some pictures, and then I'm gonna call it a day. And so hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. I try to film as much as I can, but sometimes when you're filming and you're trying to work on your car, it's frustrating because you have to stop and film. So I give props to all those content creators out there that are repairing the cars and recording at the same time. It's hard work, and sometimes you just want to get your car done, and so a lot of clips are missing, but you get the picture, right? So when I got the car, everything was way off, and finally I got the coilovers adjusted, the camber adjusted as well. And as you can see in the front here, I took off that silly lip, and then when I took it off, in the other video you'll see like a little black line right there where they didn't paint the bumper. They just basically paint the lip over the bumper only, so I left the black line. And so I did a quick rattle can and clear coat paint job, and it's not so bad. From far away it looks really good, but from a little bit close up you can see a different shade of silver. But then again, it's way better than before.